The baby chimp is absolutely adorable, exhibiting a carefree spirit that adds to its charm. A whimsical pastime to nab ants time involves using a thin stick. His joy knows no bounds in the garden. The baby chimp is not bothered by its surroundings. Where the trees, branches, and bushes become his cherished companions. In the expansive garden, his movements are boundless and unrestrained. It finds immense joy in playing in the garden, climbing trees, even enjoying a tumble or two, and swinging from branches with sheer delight. He roams freely throughout the garden, embodying an emperor's reign over the expanse, his presence sovereign and carefree. One amusing pastime is using a thin stick to grab ants, sometimes even munching on them. As these little ones grow, they become quite self-reliant. As these little ones mature, their journey towards self-reliance unfolds, attempting every task independently, a heartwarming spectacle. Enthusiastically, they revel in the delightful activity of making continuous vaults, their movements marked by boundless energy and infectious excitement. Give the baby chimp some colors and paper, and it will create abstract masterpieces. During the creative process, the baby chimp joyfully paints using a brush, both hands and fingers. Each session becomes a playful activity, a vivid expression of its carefree spirit. A truly amusing sight. These simple yet endearing moments paint a delightful picture of the baby chimp's inquisitive and playful nature. Another fascinating aspect is its interest in the guitar. While it may not play it perfectly, the baby chimp observes and mimics human actions, showcasing a charming curiosity. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos as you eagerly await. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for the latest updates.